I'm back with two new phones by Boost Mobile. The first one is Moto G Stylus 5G. The other one is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Boost Mobile just launched these two prime phones, 5G phones into its line. If you are an existing Boost Mobile customers are planning to join Boost Mobile, then easily you will get confused between these two phones because both are packed with good specs and features. To avoid your confusion and help you guys make the right choice, I'm going to do a comparison of both phones. I already did the unboxing videos of both phones. Feel free to watch. The links are in the descriptions. Before going further, let me tell you guys, this is going to be a tough contest. Let's see who wins. So stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To keep the video short, we will stick to the major specifications which makes one phone better on the other, such as Moto G Stylus 5G has 6.8-inch Max Vision display, while Samsung Galaxy A32 5G has 6.5-inch HD display. So Moto G Stylus has 0.3-inch bigger screen. If we talk about screen type and resolution, Moto G Stylus has better numbers because it has 1080p with 386 ppi, while Galaxy has 720 screen resolution with the 270 ppi. And screen type, Moto G Stylus has better screen type because it has LTPS IPS LCD, while Galaxy has TFT LCD. The other things regarding screen, both phones are even, such as aspect ratio, water resistant, Gorilla Glass, and 60 Hz frequency. So in this category, Moto G Stylus is winning by giving you bigger screen, better screen resolution, and better screen type. Okay, now let's play video to check the sound quality and its bass. So I'm playing video on Moto G Stylus first. Yeah. Has good bass. So let's play video on Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Let's see how this phone sounds, so that we can find out if this phone is worth buying or not. So stay connected till the end. Is louder, but the bass is a little low as compared to Moto G Stylus. So we can say both has same sound quality with almost same kind of bass. Okay, if you talk about camera setup on both phones, Moto G Stylus is leading here as well by a tiny difference. Let's start with the back camera of both phones. They have same quad camera setup on the back side with 48 megapixels, main camera, 8 wide, 5 macro, and 2 depth camera system. So but the difference is in the front or selfie camera. Moto G Stylus has 16 megapixels camera, while Samsung Galaxy A32 5G has 13 megapixels camera. So Moto G Stylus is leading this category with a tiny difference. Otherwise both phones have good camera setup. Built-in storage is another important specification or category, you guys can say, and always consider that thing while you are deciding between two phones. Moto G Stylus is leading this category as well because this one has 128 GB built-in storage, while Samsung Galaxy A32 5G has 64 GB built-in storage. Moto G Stylus has double built-in storage. So winner of this category is Moto G Stylus. Both phones also takes the external SD card. If we talk about processing and the speed of both phones, they are even in this category by giving you 2.0 GHz octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM. Android version is 11 on both phones. No one is winning if we talk about the battery. Both phones are even in this category by giving you 5000 milliamps big battery, fast charging capable and non-removable on both phones. Okay, in terms of device security, both phones are same by giving you traditional ways of locking the screen, such as by swiping, by applying a pattern, pin, password, and both phones also have fingerprint scanner and face recognition. So this category is even as well. Okay, now it's time to talk about their price and promotions. So Boost Mobile is offering Samsung Galaxy A32 5G in $280, $100 when you switch to Boost Mobile from other company, while Moto G Stylus is $250, $30 less than Samsung Galaxy A32, and now they are running 1 week promotion. On that, this phone becomes free. So always consider the current promotions, but overall $30 cheaper Moto G Stylus with better specifications as compared to Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Now this is the time to decide which one is better than the other in terms of specifications and the budget. Moto G Stylus is $30 cheaper, so it's winner in this category as well. So overall we discuss most important specifications which makes one phone better on the other. So in some categories both phones are even. In few categories Moto G Stylus has edge on Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, such as the screen size and resolution, selfie camera, built-in storage, and it has the stylus as well. So the contest, if we talk about, Moto G Stylus 5G is the winner. Otherwise both phones have good specifications. Feel free to take any one of those. So that's all. If you guys have watched my video till now, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.